Like you really like if you really want something, uh then like no one can stop you. Okay, fine. Like if you really want that particular thing, like to become a full-time trader, uh then yes, definitely you can become a full-time trader within the next like 6 months. It all depends on your hard work, but yes, if you try really hard, then definitely you can become a full-time trader. Okay, don't give up in that. Wait. So let's start, sir. Yes, sir. How to find a big fall, sir? There is nothing in that. Like I have already explained, given this analysis. I think on Wednesday. Like I think you can clearly see, sir. Like this rising wedge. See here, this total rising wedge pattern. Boom, blah, 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 blah. Or else you can call it ascending channel. This total rising wedge, it has broken. It came for retest, and I have sent this analysis for everyone in the free stock market, like free watch list in the private telegram. What does this indicate? Simple fall. There is nothing in this. Like don't complicate these all topics. Why it will fall? Simple. Like obviously the market is like making a big bear flag and rising wedge, so that's why it will fall. Simple. Okay, don't complicate it. It has already fallen. Like we should not think about that at present. It has fallen badly. Like at present I'm waiting for the small bear flag, and again I'm looking for sell. Simple. Obviously I'll add all the different advanced concepts and trade, but yes, you can trade with this just bear flag, and it will definitely fall. Like you can clearly see the way it is working. Simple, right? So let's start. What's the topic of the session? There is no topic, sir. Like I'll analyze all the charts which you people are recommending, and I'll analyze only those charts. Okay. Aditya, sir. So when you started trading at the in when I was in my bachelor's degree second year, and I have completed my degree in 2017. So how you select stocks for intraday, sir? I don't focus on all stocks. I only focus on 10 stocks. I can keep on saying like that only. Which one is JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Hindalco, SBI and ICICI Bank, BPCL, and Vedel, sometimes Infratel, in Indiabulls Housing Finance, Bank Nifty. That's it. This is how I trade. There is nothing in that. Don't select all those stocks. Okay. Please share your journey. Many twists, many emotional moments in my journey. Yeah, definitely I'll share. I think I have already shared this one, but yeah, definitely I'll share after some time. Like what happened in CL yesterday. I didn't see the chart. Like I don't focus on all chart stocks. I'll explain all those things. So how to draw the trend lines and how to select the company CE and PE. They are part of options. Okay. I didn't teach you options, but the trend lines, I think you can go to my web course where I have taught how to draw trend lines clearly. You'll get a clear idea how it will. Yeah, like Nifty is kind of the reason why Nifty isn't not. I mean, like it didn't fall that much is because maybe like it's because of this stock which is like highly weighted stock like Reliance and all those stocks are there. But in Bank Nifty, like it's been a long time. Like it's keep on ranging from 31st, like let's say August 1st, like it's been like 13 to 15 days, and it's keep on going up and forming and ascending channel. So it's fell badly, and within one day it took overall the 10 days moment. Oh my god, just a second guys, like I'm getting many messages. I can't clear all those doubts. Will this video available in afterwards in the Telegram? Yes, it will be available. Okay, like to be frank, you will not get motivated if you see those videos. Okay, you need to attend these type of live training sessions. I keep on add new value every time. Okay, like if you want you can. So how to sense the false breakouts? Okay, fine. Like I have already explained, right? See, they are very common in the market, and uh, the reason why the false breakouts happens is because of the higher time frames chart patterns. Okay, if a higher time frame start pattern is forming a bull flag, okay, and if you're looking for a sell because you have seen a bear flag in a small time frames, then that will be your false breakout. Okay, definitely. Like you need to go account to the higher time frame stand. Okay, we want R3 trucks. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I'll go for them. I think you have asked me this question. You have texted me this question in Instagram. Yes, I got many, like many this thing, many stocks, like many people requested me stocks, but it is very hard for me to post because I think you people already know Instagram algorithms will not allow us to post more than 3 to 4 posts, or else more than I think 100 posts per month, I think so. So that's why it's very hard for me to post. And yeah, I'm trying my best to post, like to upload all those charts, and I have analyzed all those TCS analysis as well, but I didn't post it in Instagram. Like I'll make some time and I'll post. Okay. This is easily, so like in weekly time frame, it's clearly in this between this support and resistance. And a daily time frame, I think you can clearly see it has formed a small channel as well, like pattern, bullish pennant pattern. You can clearly see gave a clear breakout, and we need to see some small bear flag where we can go for buying here. Yes, there is a small breakout, like bullish pennant pattern. We can go for buy here. The stop loss here, and it gave the it touched our target, which is 1107. And yeah, give a clear moment at present. I can say at present it is it forming any channel? Yes, yes, it is very good. At present it might be forming some channel like this one. This is a channel which is forming. And yes, ascending channel here, ascending channel here. Very good stock. And yeah, it's keep on ranging. Like I think maybe bull flag, it will go like this, like, and it will fall till this level. Okay, chances are there it will touch this particular trend line. Why? Because support, and it will touch this support level. Very good stock. Chances are there it will definitely fall towards the downside. Okay, very good. You can look for this thing for selling opportunities. That doesn't mean like I'm recommending you to sell. Okay, whatever the thing I'm saying, explaining, everything is for only educational purpose. I'm not recommending you to go for sell. Okay, there's not any recommendation for yourself. Okay, I'll take screenshots so that I can send it in the group and everyone can utilize that. Okay. And 83 members, thank you so much guys for joining the session. Like I really Shravan Mohan sir, I can see you. Yeah. And I'm really happy that everyone is enjoying this session. And yeah, today we have a freedom. Today I have a freedom to share to everyone. Okay, cool. Now it's time to mark all the doubts. Okay. So why Bank Nifty fall? Sir, I have already explained, right? There is nothing in that. Double top in 50 minutes. Yes. That's right. For sir, at market can't able to figure out about the retest. Sometimes when a channel has breakout, then there is no retest and it continues to fall. Yes, sir, because of the movement. Like obviously our stock market is only open for 6 hours, hardly 6 hours and 15 minutes, and movement will be very fast. I have said, right, whenever the breakout has happened here. See, let's assume this is a bear flag. See here, bear flag. Oh, sorry, bull flag. Let's go for this particular stock only. I'll explain here itself because each and every pattern example is same. And see, you have seen a good pennant pattern, and here you have seen a breakout as well. You can take blindly here with this with the stop loss here, or I have said that you have to keep your stop loss below the chart pattern. Okay, this is a total chart pattern, and you need to keep your stop loss here itself. So you enter here with a stop loss here, and your target will be double like next resistance level. Okay, this is the next resistance level. So it hardly touch your resistance and give good profits. I think maybe 1:3, 1:2.5 or 3. You got that target. Okay, don't wait. Yes, sometimes happens like you'll not get clear bull flag or bear flag, and you will not enter in the market. It's okay. Like yesterday, I think so. Same example I can say yesterday in bank, if it has happened at that time, what you need to do is like you need to go to small time frames and you need to find what is happening in that. Okay, Ekar Motors, right? Yeah, see, yes, yeah, Ekar Motors. This one. Wow, I think this might be the analysis which we have done long back, right? Let me clear once again. I'll explain once again. Okay, this is analysis, like see here, like this is analysis which we have done long back, all those support and resistance, all those trend lines. Okay, and let me clear and see, like I'll draw once again my chart patterns, rising wedge pattern and simple rising wedge pattern again once again, and good fall. And here you can see clears at the support level. Okay, it may bounce from there because the support level is there. Now to fall, okay, now to fall more, okay, let's go from the weekly time frame. Okay, seems to be not that much good. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, now it has fallen down badly. Now let's draw support and resistance level. Boom, blah, bum. Daily time frame. Okay, cool. I think it might fall till here. Okay, it might fall till the support level, which is 18,359. It's like 18,360 like that. Okay, still it has room to fall till 18,360, but I'm saying once again, like analysis changes every time. Okay, you need to react and evolve with the market. Okay, so what I may expect is like some bear flag like this and fall down. Overall, it will form a pennant pattern and it will bounce from the support level towards the upside. Very good, very good. So you need to analyze this like this. Okay, uh, I hope you understood Ecom Motors. Okay. Mhm. And Prasanna, I think you understood Ecom Motors. Like present, still it'll fall down till the starting of the pattern. I think you know why it'll go till the starting of the pattern. Okay, you need to like if you get confused, just go through all those videos. I have explained. So why bank nifty? Oh my god, how many times you'll ask why bank nifty fall this much and nifty I took put, but after double top 15 years start. Okay, sir, I have already explained, right? Don't repeat these questions. Like it will be very hard for me to analyze. So it gives me anxiety when I see everyone making profits and ending my day with loss. How to overcome this emotional weakness? Tarang, sir, never. I'm saying right. Yes, it is very like you will you will get motivated. Like if you see like it all depends upon the personality how he receives that. Okay, if you think in a negative way you will get results. I mean like you'll get negative results. If you think in a positive way you'll get positive results. Okay, like just if you're seeing any person is earning money from the market, just take inspiration from him. Okay, don't blindly say that I'm losing money in the market and just don't say like that. Okay, so I'm doing correct analysis 50 to 60% of the time, but I lack confidence. How to gain confidence? It comes with practice, Golu Bhaiya. So it comes with practice, okay, and you need to trade daily. You need to trade daily so that you'll get confidence that yes, my analysis will be working. Okay, what you'll be doing is after market is hours closed, just take any random stock and keep on analyzing all these things and keep on like go for buying and selling, go for buying and selling. Like whenever like you can go for like okay fine, this is a pen and I'll go for buy here. This is a small wolf, like I'll go for buy here. This is a small ascending channel, I'll go for buy here. And this is a small ascending channel, I'll go for buy here. This is like overall this is a rising wedge, I'll go for sell here. Like or whenever that does broken and I'll go for buy. Like you can keep on practice like this. Okay, whenever you're practicing daily or by analyzing all these stocks. Okay, uh, you'll like you'll get that type of belief that your strategy will also work. Okay, you need to convince your subconscious mind to do that. Okay, volume is very low. So I can't able to find your free course link. Sir, it is Sonali the ma'am, ma'am or sir, I don't know, but yes, it is in my Instagram bio. Okay, you can go and click free course and join in private Telegram. I only have two private Telegrams and you can join, and one is for uh, this thing one is for uh, free course where I upload all those videos, and one the other one is for watch list where I give daily watch list, daily charts in that particular private Telegram. Okay, I hope you can understand now. Gautam, I have already explained. You can go here, this one. This is a view which I have already explained, Gautam. Okay. Yeah, Raja Guru. Yes, guys, you can ask me now. Gautam, this is the Aarti drug. I have already explained, I think, so this one. I'm expecting the market to fall till here. Oh, Mega Money Organic. Okay. Asian Paints, Raja Muthu, sir. Yes, sir. And Chaitanya, how many years you are in the market? From past 5 years. So Biocon, Arupharma, okay. Still, I'm learning a lot from the market. I have never said that I'm like what is that? I never said that I am a trader who is earning like crores of rupees per day. Like, yes, definitely it will happen in one day, but at present, no. Okay. And so, what is the accuracy of these patterns? 50 to 60%. That's it. Don't expect more than that. The better the this thing. What is that? Experienced trader in this on like who are there outside, even me as well. Okay, they will not maintain more than they'll 60 to hardly their accuracy will be 60 to 65%. That's it. Everything will be under the risk management. How you're following? Yes, few people accuracy is more. They master the system. They master the way they trade, and yes, you can improve your accuracy like 75. Like it all depends upon your practice, and that's it. Fine. Okay, then I'll stop now so that I can clear all the other doubts. Okay, guys. Doubts and charts. You can ask me anything. Okay, charts. I don't know what is this. Are the systems okay? YDM. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh my God. What is this? And no, I have never seen this type of stock actually. Okay, cool. It has broken the resistance level. I think so, right? These are the some support and resistance level which are quite good. Okay, we hit mid high, so I'll mark these levels as well. Okay, which is 118. It is at present it is in between this resistance level, and it broke the resistance which becomes our support. So let's go back to the daily time frame. Not interested. Like I think we might be seeing some ascending channel here. Boom, like definitely. Okay, we may expect the market to fall down like till the support level. And if you see any bullish engulfing bar or bullish bullish engulfing bar or bullish bearish bullish pin bar or anything, like you can go for buy here with this for this target. Okay, and always remember chart pattern is main. Okay, and what is that? Make okay. Oh, okay. Make money. What is that? This one seems to be good. Oh, okay. Wow, this is awesome. Like guys, you can go for investment purpose as well. Like if anyone is investing in the stock market, seems to be good. Like so I have drawn blindly. Okay, I don't need to go for each and every step. And weekly time frame, clearly we can see clear breakout as well. Clear resistance has broken, and guys. See guys, this one. Wow, beautiful pennant pattern. Like you can call it as a bull flag as well. Very good. Here pattern. Very good. Our target is like next resistance, which is 120.25 or 125, like that. Okay, very good stock. I'm expecting the market to go up, but yes, direction changes every time. I'm not uh, like any guru in this market. Okay, very good. Like let's see how this goes. And this is the stock. Let's see. Like our target is like 120. So see, Asian Paints. Asian Paints and cool. This is Asian Paints. Let's come from oh wow. La. Weekly time frame, daily time frame. We can mark all the channels here. Monthly, 1 hour time frame. This one is also good. Maybe the market may fall down in coming days. Okay. very simple ascending channel. I think maybe the market may fall down. Again, I'm saying I may be wrong because like market is unstable. Okay, like it moves every time, and I think I need some this thing like like you need to mark all these like support and resistance level chart patterns every time. Okay, you need to do all those analysis every time, each and every time. Okay, it's not like market is not constantly there. Okay, and so Biocon, yes, I'll go for Asian Paints mostly for sell. Okay, Biocon, Biocon. This is Biocon, and yeah, a few people are raising their hands. Why? Snehi Sarta ma'am, admit all. Okay, this is Biocon, and let's come from monthly time frame. I'll go fastly. Okay, I need this one, and I'll go for weekly time frame. I'll go for daily time frame. Seems to be good. So this is the chart pattern. Wow, rising wedge pattern which is falling because expect this one is the rising wedge. Okay, and let's come for 4 hours time frame. Seems to be some pennant pattern is forming. Okay, this is a pennant pattern which is forming from long period of time in 1 hour. Maybe the market may go upside as well. Okay, chances are there. Okay, I'm not saying that completely the market will fall down. Oh, I'm saying that chances are there that the market may go towards upside, and this is a 15 minutes pattern which has formed. If it is breaking towards upside, and if it has formed small bull flag, then we may see the market to go upside. Okay, very good. Mostly like maybe like obviously higher time frames will be respecting the market, but I don't think so. This will fall badly. Okay, mostly for the upside market. Okay, mostly for the upside market. I'm not expecting this to go towards a down at present. Biocon, which is very good. Like you can focus on this and always do the analysis from monthly time frame to daily time frame. All of them are same thing. Like it will not fall, they will all rise a lot. Okay, like this, it may fall now, but no chances of falling. I've said right at the resistance level. Let's draw here weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hours time frame. No chances for falling as well. You can draw all the 4 hours time frame support and resistance, and the chart patterns as well, which you can draw from here to here and here to here. Good, very good. Maybe I'm saying maybe the market may fall, but no way it can fall towards the downside. Okay, uh I think you people might have seen chart patterns. Yes, sometimes they fail, and this is a pattern which is forming bullish pennant bullish pennant pattern, and I'm expecting the market to go upside. Okay, till 970, till there's resistance level. Not that much good. Okay, don't focus on this thing. uh, other systems, how I'll explain. Can you make a course update like options to and all since Ruby rules may come? Yes, I'll try to, but at present I don't have uh, any this thing any time. Like at present, I don't have any time. Like I'll definitely make chance and all. No, so I didn't teach any options trading. So when is a turning point? My Chaitanya is asking a question. When is a turning point? In 2017, I have failed in my final year exam, and in that year only, like in January, I have lost like 15 lakhs till January. Okay, I have been trading from this thing from degree second year, and from that particular time onwards till 2017 January, which was my last year, I've lost 15 lakhs. And yes, I was depressed. I was like uh, I'm getting chills. Like I was depressed. Like I just thought to suicide as well, but no, I didn't give up. Something has stopped me, and at the same year as well, like in the same year in 2017, I failed in my final year exam as well. And yes, that was a hard time which I couldn't digest, but it's okay. Like because of that particular uncomfortable moment only, at present I'm here, and I just kept on trying, and I have cleared the idea that there is no such thing called as holy grail strategy in this market, and I have prepared my own strategy which works very well compared to all these things which I'm doing at present. And in 2018, like in whenever the like at present cryptocurrencies are booming. Okay, I can still remember. And in February, like everything is clear that yes, and yeah, I have done each and everything, and I have overcome all those things. And yeah, that's how I have changed. My turning point is my failure, which has happened in 2017. I still remember, but I'll never forget that. Okay. Yes, risk reward matters more than accuracy. That's it. So how much one should risk more than in a day trade or swing trade? In a day trade, I think hardly maybe 4%, because we are taking 2% per trade, right? So I don't think so. You need to risk more than 2% per trade. Okay, if you are risking more than 4% per trade, just avoid trading, because on always you go always trade only good setups. Don't go for bad setups. Okay, like or else you will definitely lose money in this market. Okay, fine. If everyone is ready, we will get like we will fuel uh, our brain with some positivity. Okay, if everyone is ready, please type yes or no. If everyone is ready, we will fill our brain with some positivity. Don't ask questions now. What are the question I'm asking? Please say me that, because if you ask me any question now, it will go upside. I really can't uh, replay for that, because everyone is typing. Yes, yes, everyone is. If everyone is ready, let's yeah, let's go, and don't ask me any questions now. I'll give you the time. I'll give you the time. Like still we have time, and I'll make it for everyone. Okay. Like if you ask any question now, like any charts, like it'll go back to the this thing, like it'll go up. Okay, I really can't. If everyone is ready with me, let's affirm this thing. Okay, if everyone is ready with me, let's repeat this sentence like this. Okay, fine, just write it down. Now you can find it in the corner of this stock, like Elon Musk. You can find it here itself. You can find it here itself. I'm sending stock, right? See it. You can find here Biocon 60 minutes. Okay, you can find the stock name here. That's why I'm not sending. Like, okay, it is very hard for me to find. If everyone is ready with me, please type I am a successful and profitable trader. Please type it. I am a successful and profitable trader. Come on, guys. Yes. Come on. Yes, guys. Come on. Type it. Type it, guys. I am a successful and profitable trader. Type it, guys. Type it. Yes, everyone is a successful and profitable trader. It takes time, but everyone can become a successful and profitable trader. Yes, guys. I am a successful and profitable trader. I am a successful and profitable trader. Just raise your right hand and keep on your heart and say this sentence. I am a successful and profitable trader. Come on, guys. Come on. We need to be we need to become an independent trader on this independent. We need to make an oath on this independent this day, and we will definitely become an independent trader. Okay. Yes, guys. I am a successful and profitable trader. That's it. Definitely we can become. Yes, definitely we can become. I'm sure you might have got some positivity. Feel it. Yes, guys, like this is how we like everyone is like this is how you need to think. Okay, uh just keep on saying this thing every time. Okay, like it'll like if I'll make one like it is not complete it is not related to stock market, but that will be related to your life. Okay, personal life. And like I'll make some personal development I'll course small course as well. At present no time, but I'll definitely make that. Okay, to become to help you people on how to believe on all those things. Okay, fine. And yes, guys, like I'm a successful and profitable trader. That's it. Guys, like let's wait. Like we are just fueling ourselves with the positivity. I don't know why you people are not just sending charts. It's okay, fine. If you're not ready for that, hmm, IndusInd Bank. Okay, maybe people have requested IndusInd Bank. I'll go for that thing. Yes, I'll go. I'll go for that. Don't ask questions now. Again, if it'll go towards like it'll go upside. Okay. Fine. Okay. IndusInd Bank. Nothing, guys. Like you can clearly see the resistance level support. Okay, in daily time frame I'll go blindly because like I don't need anything there, and overall there is a fall, and in 4 hours time frame it is forming a small bear flag which indicates maybe the market may fall down further downside because this particular channel indicates the bear flag. Okay, and let's go for the 1 hour time frame. As you can see clearly, this is a rising wedge, and I think in 15 minutes some this thing small channel is there which is a bear flag, or you can call it ascending channel. Very good breakout, small bear flag. We can enter here with a stop loss above the previous chart patterns. And overall, if you see the overall market, okay, definitely this is like it may fall in future. Okay, that doesn't mean like it should not go upside. Okay, I'll show the different reason as well. Now you people might be thinking like, okay, fine, market will fall down this one. So I'll clear all the diagrams. Okay, this is a particular this thing channel as well. This is also this also may happen. It may fall down till here, and this is an ascending channel. Again, it may go upside. This also it can also happen. Okay, don't go for the only one side. Okay, and you like always do in a different like always analyze from the different perspectives. Okay, different method as well. Okay, this is mostly I'm expecting for the sell side only. Cool. This is IndusInd Bank and M&M stocks. M&M, this one, right? If I'm not wrong, yes, this one. Not good, not good, I'm saying, right? And let me draw the okay daily time frame. Seems to be good. 4 hours time frame, not that much good. Okay, overall this is a pattern. That doesn't mean like market should fall down badly. Okay, yes, it is a clear indication maybe the market may fall down, but these small chart patterns will definitely give you an idea, rough idea. It may fall or it may not fall, but mostly I'm expecting at least to fall down. Okay, at least to fall down or down because of this big ascending channel. Okay, yeah, mostly it may fall down because of this big ascending channel, but I don't think so. Like we may see this thing, and or else if you see any particular like ascending channel like this, it may go upside and it may touch towards the next resistance level, which is like 762. Okay, it may touch that one. Okay, Mahindra is good, but mostly look for selling at present. Who asked me? Ankit. Yes, yes, you can look for selling at present. Okay, don't say please. Oh, I'm there for you. ITC. Like recently I thought to fine, like I'll explain that one, but after sometimes. And yeah, no need to go all those things. I'm not going towards the hard time frames. You can clearly see still the market isn't completed to go upside. Okay, big pennant pattern, big SNA channel pattern. It went up, and maybe I'm saying maybe the market may bounce back from here, and it may go upside till there, but chances are there, but not that much chances. Mostly like if you see uh, the overall market in this overall market at present, it may fall down in coming days. Okay, overall market if you see, it may fall down in coming days. Okay, now I'll show you in a different way. This is forming a big bear flag. Okay, that's it. Like maybe like after the breakout, if you see any bear flag, like then only you'll go for sellings. Till then you'll not go for selling. I hope you understood. Hmm? This one is good, like pretty good, like Chalo, this is a stock like at ITC. You can take screenshot or else you can watch the video afterwards. Okay. SBI cards, not good, sir. I think I have explained this stock long back as well. Hmm. Okay. It's come from daily because no data, because no data. That's why I'm coming from daily only. And oh my god, very very good. Like, not that much good, but I'm saying that you can clearly see many bull flags here, many bull flags. I think you might, I don't know whether you have observed these all things or not. Pennant patterns. Okay, very good. After the breakout, if you see any small bear flag, then you can definitely go for sell. Definitely not this low, maybe till this low, till these lows. Okay, like that we can go. Very good. You can look for selling whenever the stock has broken this trend line, and whenever if you see any bear flag, then you can go for sell. So when to consider wicks, when to ignore them while making support and resistance. It doesn't matter. So like I don't know what stock I can go. Like I'll go for Tata Steel. Who else have taken Tata Steel yesterday, which was a very very good moment. Okay, I'll go for daily time frame. It doesn't matter if you take the wicks or the body. You just need to draw and mark all those things in like this. Like you just need a lot of touches. Okay, if you see a support resistance, that's why I just draw like this. Doesn't matter what are the wicks. Once the trend line is broken, should be considered for the future difference as a support. Yes, once the trend line is broken, don't go blindly for buy or sell. Always look for the support and resistance as well. Rajamuttu, market may not have a holy grail strategy, but we have a holy person like you. Thank you so much, sir. Like it means a lot for me. Thank you so much. And yes, guys, like now you can ask me your questions. And before that, I just thought to conduct a live session once. Okay, live session once for everyone. I thought to conduct on maybe on Friday, but due to some time, like I didn't conduct that one. Okay, I'll make time and I'll go for that. Okay, Reliance. No, I have given analysis in this in the chart itself. Like at present is at the bullish pennant pattern. You can go and look after that. HDFC Bank same like Bank Nifty. Reliance, Bandhan Bank, I have already given the analysis. Chirag, you can go and check Bandhan Bank analysis. I have given that watch list as well. Ambuja Cements, I think I have given. Okay, let me stop because I already have 18 messages. Okay, Ambuja Cements. I think I have given this analysis as well. Oh, I don't know whether you have seen or not. This one, blah blah blah, 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 blah. Okay, and maybe some some not that much good. Not interested in this particular stock. Like I can draw Reliance from anywhere. Like not at present, I'm not interested in this thing. Okay, this one. Wow, this one. I don't know why this trading view some bugs are there from. You can clearly see. Oh, maybe chances are there to fall, but not no clear information. Okay, ignore. I'll definitely ignore. Like I'll. So that's why I think I didn't send this analysis as well. HDFC Bank. So nothing in this. Same like Bank Nifty. Let's go for blindly 4 hours. No need to say. I've said right. Same like Bank Nifty. Okay. What does in this game? Market may fall down. Okay. Same like Bank Nifty. Simple. Pennant pattern seems to be good. That's it. We can look for maybe selling opportunities in HDFC Bank. And Reliance, same. There's nothing in that bullish engulfing bar. Bajaj Finance, I've all explained Bajaj Finance as well. Once again, I'll explain. Bajaj Finance. And okay, let's go blindly for 4 hours. No need to go for all those things. I think you people remember this one. This is an answer which I've given long back. Okay, this is where we have done a free course. Many people have done free course. Okay, this one and this one small. Maybe the market may fall down. Okay, but again saying market direction changes anytime, because after the fall of this market as well, you can see this type of bullish engulfing like bullish pattern, and market may go upside, bounce back like that as well. And yes, I trade in futures, not in stocks, but only in Bank Nifty. And in stocks, I prefer equity. Equity is king compared to all those things. You can easily this thing uh, control. Okay, you can control all those things. Cub, what is a cub? No, I don't know. Bank Nifty, yes, sir. How to select intraday stocks, sir? Please, Pritish, go through this video. I have already explained, but once again, I'll explain. Uh, Select any 10 stocks and focus in them daily. So, any three trading books you would recommend personally? So, I'll be honest with you, Chaitanya. To be frank, I didn't read any trading book till now. The only book which I have read is Trading Psychology, and you can read that book. I'll send this in Telegram. Okay, the only book I have read is that one, and the other books, like, I don't really read trading books, to be frank. See, no one will teach you uh, how to trade. Okay, they'll only teach how you should trade. Okay, that's it. No one will teach you how to trade. There is nothing in that. Okay, don't waste your time in them. Yes, books are good, but don't waste in trading books. Okay. Silver micro chart, many I think so, maybe micro chart. Okay, silver. I've never done this thing. I don't know which I can do. I'll do in the futures only. Like, let's go for the September, and will not get the data, but I'll try my best to get the data here. And I can clearly see this one. Bear flag, some pennant pattern, bearish pennant pattern. Okay, means maybe the market. See again, bear flag. Market may fall down till here. Okay, chances are there market to fall down, but we have to see how this goes and how the market reacts. Chalo, let's see how this will look. This is silver. Okay, I don't know whether this you're asking me this silver or not. Ambuja Cement already explained. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel. Quite good. Bull 4 hours seems to be good. It has broken towards the downside. Okay, maybe the market may fall down. This is a pennant pattern. Maybe the market may fall down in coming days. Okay, very, very good. Just look for selling opportunities in coming days. Okay, very, very good. Just look for selling opportunities, because you can clearly see the pattern, how the pattern is broken. It broken towards the downside, but mostly it should break towards the upside. It didn't break. Again, I'm saying please do include. Okay, please include all those support and resistance and trade with support and resistance. Okay, don't only focus on these things. Okay, United Spirits. 4 hours. I'll say simply bear flag, downside, rising wedge. Overall, this is a trend line. Seems to be market may fall down, but no chance, I'm saying, because this is a overall pennant pattern. It may go till here. It may bounce from there as well towards upside. Okay, let's look after this. No, I'm not interested in this particular stock. Okay, and you can look for like, you can go according to the chart patterns. Okay, and again, I'm saying what are the things I'm saying now, it is not for educational purpose. Okay, direction changes, market direction changes every time, and you need to react with the market. Okay, you need to do analysis every day, and you need to react with the market. I hope you're getting this thing. Okay, simple lesson in channel. I'll go blindly there. 15 minutes time frame. Listening, ascending. Sorry, that is bold flag, and this is descending channel, and this is ascending channel. This overall is a descending channel. Mostly, market may go towards the upside. And again, I'm saying because of this ascending channel, market may fall down as well, which is second setup. Okay, anything may happen, but overall this is good because like mostly I'm expecting the market to go up because the higher time frame trend will dominate the market. Okay, so I'm sending swing trading as well. You can hold your position for swing. I'm sending swing trading stocks as well in watch list. I mean, like in private Telegram and watch list. Okay, you can hold your position there as well. Okay, you can hold your position for 2 to 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 days, or anything like that. And let me delete. So let's come back to Cipla is not unstoppable. Cipla, like overall, you can clearly see it's forming a bullish pennant patterns and it's rising, 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 rising. And this is a small bear flag, and maybe I'm expecting this type of market. No clear direction. Okay, I'll ignore this thing. Okay, and you can ask me your questions for the last time, and I don't know whether I can show charts or not. And like you can ask me any questions which is related to trading or anything. Don't ask me any charts. Kerala, okay. Ask me any questions which is related to your trading. Don't ask me charts. Investment bank, I have already explained. Chirag, Tata Steel is good. For entire time frames, 15 minutes is good for buying or selling. Yeah, trading in Nifty 50 is very risky if you don't know what you're doing, and trading in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty is very less risky if you know what you are doing. Okay. Yes, I use margin. How you learn trading with the failure which I have done in market. You will learn each and everything with your failures only. Okay, no one will teach you in this thing. And then, okay, fine. I'll stop the like passages so that I can clear all those doubts. So Cadillac, I think I have already explained Cadillac as well. Like mostly I have explained all the stocks, but I'm not saying that I didn't explain any stocks. I'll go for the 4 hours time frame only. This is the overall chart pattern. This one, and pin bar. Sorry, bullish pennant pattern, bullishing flag pattern. I think seems to be this one. Like, well, obviously will not draw like that. Let's go for 1 hour. Small bear flag, may touch and go like this. Very good. Seems to be good, only but only for buying at present. Okay. And what is the next stock? UPL. UPL Limited. I don't have time. That's why I'm just analyzing very, very fast. And I'm really sorry if I didn't clear all the doubts, but I'm trying my best because, and that is the reason why I have made only for limited people so that I can focus only on few people. Okay. This one. And quite good, but not interested person. Okay. Charting is good. I don't know. You don't really need charting software. Why to waste? I think 800 per month. Don't waste on all those things, guys. Like just focus on 10 stocks. Why to focus on all those things? Okay, if you're trading with indicators, then it is good. Don't focus on all those stocks. Okay, uh, no need actually. Don't waste your money. Investment bank, I have already explained, Prashant. Mm, Bank Nifty, I think I have already explained Bank Nifty in the first stock only, but for the last time I'll explain Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. Clearly, we can see how the market is moving. I have explained this thing for a long time only. This is the chart which I have given in Telegram. Okay, that's it. Simple. There is nothing in this. This is a chart which I have given, and 1 hour you can clearly see what is happening. Okay. Now I'm explaining the market to fall down till this next trend line. That's it. For shorting, can you analyze crude? Yes, cool, definitely. US oil, crude. Let's go for crude futures. August futures. Let's go for maybe 4 hours. Will be good. And overall there is no data actually. Seems to be, I think I have to go for, I'll go for US oil because no data. Oh, I need clear data, which is this one. US oil, same like crude and US oil, everything is same. See here, same chart. And maybe the market may fall down in coming days. You can clearly see this thing rising wedge pattern. Okay, and here cleared bull flag ascending channel. Okay, you can call it ascending channel, small descending channel, and it may go till upside and fall down badly. Okay, same thing may happen in crude oil as well, like US oil and crude oil, everything is same. And is trading Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty is less riskier. So I'm saying this for everyone. Okay, uh, yes, stock market is very risky if you don't know what you are doing. Okay, I'm saying if you don't know what you're doing. And second one, yes, stock market is easy if you know. Okay, I'm saying if you know what you're doing, then stock market is easy. Okay, yes, risk will be there. Without risk you can't get anything. Don't expect any reward. When take the trade after breakout trend line, same candle or next candle. Okay, how you learn trading? Failures. SBI, and I'm really sorry, sir. I really can't suggest whether you can hold your position or not. I don't really suggest because I'm not any advisor, or I'm not any government advisor. I really can't suggest that. Okay, but overall, I think you can clearly see what type of pattern it is and what you may expect the market to happen in coming days. Sir, Union Bank. This will be the last talk I'll analyze, and I'll wind up the session. And this one, it also may happen like this because trendline is still supporting. And let's see how this goes. Like my answers may fail as well. I'm not saying that it may happen compulsory 100%. Okay, fine. This is a stock for which we have done. And chalo. Oh, I hope everyone enjoy the session, guys. Please say me how was the session. Like, if you really like the session, please say me. And like, if there is any doubts, like, we'll make it for next week as well. Okay, don't worry, I'll come every week. Okay. Yes, guys, how was the session? It's the first time join. Amazing. Thank you so much, Pratik. You will love the sessions. Go through the course, and you'll love each and everything. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, guys, thank you so much for attending the session. I really mean uh, it really means a lot that you people are supporting me. Thank you so much, and always support pro stock market. Okay, and I'm giving my best to help you people, and just try to utilize all these things. And soon I'll make a small course on your personal development, or on how you can like, I'll make you people how to believe in yourselves. Okay, I'll definitely uh, come up with a good ideas on how you can trade. Okay, fine. I hope you enjoy the session. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good stuff. Thank you so much. Fine. And I think nobody wants to share their knowledge for free. Yeah, like, see, this is everything is available in internet, but the thing is, like, people don't use it wisely. Okay, and I have made it each and everything at one phase. Okay, at one area, in the one channel only. So that's what I have explained. And you're really trying to give the best. Thank you so much. We are proud of you. Thank you so much, sir. And I've tried my best to help you. Whatever the I've tried my best to clear all your doubts. Okay. Oh, come on, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Like, yes, I have read all the reviews, and I'm really happy that everyone have given that review. And yes, obviously, like, in 5,000 members, I only got maybe 60 to 70. It's okay, fine. You people have given that review, and really mean. I really mean. I mean, like, I'm really happy for that. I'm really lucky for that review. And yes, it's okay. Thank you so much for the review, and I'll replay for that. Like, obviously, there are many messages I really can't replay. And yes, I'll definitely try to reply for everyone. Okay, sir, I want to meet you, sir. You okay? Fine. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We'll definitely meet. And fine, after this COVID, if anyone is from Hyderabad, we'll definitely meet at Sarumnagar. Yeah, like, I'll learn more from your channel. Sukanya, yes, sir or ma'am, I'm really sorry, but yes, definitely. you will definitely learn a lot from my free course. Okay, don't just invest 1 lakh or 50,000 or maybe 2 lakhs, from 2 lakhs to study stock market. Instead of investing all those things, invest all those 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs in your stock market and fail in stock market. Then only you'll learn how to trade in the stock market. Okay, your name, sir? So my name is Sampath. I'm from Hyderabad. That's it. Your free course is awesome. Thank you so much, Ankit Singh, sir. And let's meet at the next webinar. And yeah, thank you so much. Let's meet on next Saturday. And yeah, thank you. Have a nice day, guys. And bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your family. Thank you so much.